Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will tell you how to customize the menu items or web link sets using your custom templates. You see, this is a page 1, and which is connecting to a web template. And in the web template, I have designed this. In this page 1, I have nothing. There is no local content. It is only loading the content from the web template. Now, you might have seen the default templates that are coming with your Power Pages template, right? But here I have created my own template where I want to display the web link sets which are already available in my system, in my Power Pages, and load dynamically using loop, and how I can also manipulate sign in and sign out options for this. You see, right now it is signed out. That's why it is showing welcome guest and sign in button with all other links. But if you click on sign in, it is directly redirecting to login page, and in the login page you can log in using the credential. And once you sign in, it will redirect to the same page 1, with log off button, and here also it is displaying the name of the user. Okay, now if you click on log off, it will also log off from the page. Okay, now let me go to another page where I am displaying a entity list. Here I am displaying some entity list or list of records from database. Because the user is not logged in, it is not showing data. But if I log in, let's say I will sign in again and click the same user and sign in, then it will load data. Right here I have taken a custom table and loading data through fetch XML using liquid code. Right, so this is how you can integrate your own web link sets and own custom screen, custom interface for your custom web template. Okay, if you use predefined templates, that is fine. But if you want to integrate the log off, login, sign up, sign out, and profile links also, you can do that. Okay, how I can do that, how I done that, I will just explain it. Here if you see, there is a option integrated. Okay, I have created this. Let me just copy this web template and show you in a VS code so that it will be more visible. Okay, I'm just using test web template dot html, and I'm storing here. Okay, now here I have created the web template and added a bootstrap link first. Okay, I'm not using Power Pages existing templates. I am not using its header template, footer template, nothing. Fresh, new custom one, and created some styles here inside internal styles CSS, and the bootstrap link CDN link. Okay, then I have created a division, container division, and created a row. Inside that I have two division, one division to display sidebar, another division to display right side content. Okay, in the left side I want to display the menu item. Okay, you can use static menu items using list and anchor tags and unordered list, right? You can use manually, right? But if I want to dynamically load my web link which is already available in my Power Pages, let's say if I'll go here, I'll check my web links. What are the web links available? Menu items. You can check it here. If you go to, let's say, duplicate tab, and I'll go here in the web links. This is the web link sets that are created for your websites. If you might have multiple websites, then you might have multiple web links associated with multiple uh, websites. So let me filter it with my website I am working with right now. You see, for this website, I have two web link sets. So I am using this web link set whose name is default in my web page. So I want to read this web link set where we have many menu items. You see, these are the links available, and I want to connect this with my custom web template. That's why I have written here the code. I have declared a liquid code, assigned a variable navigation, equal to web links, inside that default the name of the web link. So that now the navigation, the nav variable will hold the object with multiple with the web link with multiple links. Right now we are checking if navigation is available. That means if the web link with name default is exist, I want to create a title. How to create a title using h1? You take h1 tag and in double curly braces, which is rendering the liquid code on the screen, nav.title. Nav.title is the name of the link. Then I'm creating a ul. Ul means unordered list. Here I given the class list group, and here I'm running a loop. I'm running a loop through the links available inside this nav. Okay, nav means the web link set, and inside this web link set we have many web links. So for all web links, create the list component. Okay, and here inside this list component, bind the image if it is available. Okay, otherwise if the image is not there, bind the name, link.name. Okay, so list component, link.image. Link.image, if it is not there, it will not render. If you upload image, it will render. Okay, now here the link name will be displayed, and when the link will be clicked, the link.url will be triggered. And you see, for each link we have pages linked here, right? So it may be connecting to a page or external page. That link will be loaded. So for loop will render this all links depending on the web links available in your web link set. Okay, this is the for loop running to generate or recreate list components inside your on order list. But in addition to that, I want to implement login logout, because in your web link set, login logout option will not be available. So you have to add some extra step here. To implement login logout, I have implemented a logic here, checking that if user liquid object is available, that means user is already logged in. If user is already logged in, display logout option. How to display? Take list component, take anchor tag, and in href type account slash login slash logoff, and in the return url the current page. Request.raw url will get the current page url, and what the caption will display in the link, the snippet whose name is links logout. If links logout is not there, it will display sign out by default caption for your logout button. If user is not available, user is not logged in, it will display login button. So in the login button, I have created the link account login, which will redirect to the login page, default login page, which is available, and the button name will display as sign in. Okay, you can also change it to login. Okay, here also you can change to logout. These are the default option if the snippets is not there. If the snippets you have added, the value will be brought from that. Otherwise this will be printed. Logout and login. I can also add a profile page. Let's say if the user available, I want to add another uh, list here and give a name profile, so that user can edit the profile with the same return url. But here it will display links profile and default edit profile. That means this list will only display if the user is available. Okay, now you take this and put it in your web template. This is the web template I have created, and save it. Okay, you can add some images also for your web links. Let's say I will go here and I will open a web link and add an image. So I'll go to the home and scroll down, and in the image section I want to add a font assembly link. So .fa and .fa home. Now this way also you can use the icons for your links. Okay, So let us synchronize and test this if it is working fine or not. I have created or redesigned my custom web template, not using existing templates. And sometimes it is useful in your projects, right? So you can preview this. Now if you preview, you will see if the user is logged in already, it will show edit profile and log out. Okay. If you click edit profile, it will navigate to the existing profile page to edit the profile of the user. Okay. Otherwise, if you click on log out, it will log out and login button will display. Right. So this is how you can customize your web template using the using your custom liquid template. This is very important. Okay, most of the times we customize our templates, that's why use this code. So I will put this code in my blog, you can download and use it. Okay, so thank you everyone watching this video. See you next time. Bye.